If you want to do number one pose which prevents your back pain, neck pain, also it can provide you very good skin, and you can get rid of double chin and wrinkles, and you will have improved elastin hormone in your body. That is why we have Viprit Dhanurasana. I am showing you. It's a very fun pose, very effective pose, but make sure you should be doing under observation of proper teacher of Excel Yoga School. So you need to sit into hammock. Keep yourself very comfortable. Then you need to slide like this. See. You can also turn to left and right. Once you stop moving, you should maintain for around 2 minutes. That will help a lot. So once you come back, take some rest in child pose. Otherwise you can also take rest in this only. I am showing you. So this is the resting position once you finish your asana. Why we have Viprit Dhanurasana is one of the very interesting yoga pose. So once you finish your relaxation, you can come back. It affects your Vata Prakriti and Kapha Prakriti. So if you have any challenges which is related to that, it will help a lot. And from Ayurvedic perspective, it improves Ras Dhatu in our body. If someone who has any medical challenges or someone who is post-operative patient, they should avoid this. Otherwise, most young people can do this. We have people even in their 40s and 50s, they are doing this, and it's very fun and effective.